Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini on your Samsung phone. Gemini is Google's powerful new AI assistant designed to enhance your daily tasks. To begin, confirm your Samsung phone runs Android version 10 or newer. Also, make sure your Google app is fully updated through the Play Store. These steps ensure your device is ready for a smooth Gemini experience. Next, you will need to install the Gemini application. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Google Gemini to download it. Once installed, open your phone settings. Find the Apps section, then choose Default Apps, and finally Digital Assistant app. Here, select Gemini to make it your device's main assistant. Now that Gemini is set as your default, there are a few ways to activate it. The most common method is to simply long press the side button on your Samsung phone. For hands-free use, enable Hey Google in your Google Assistant settings. You will also need to complete a voice match setup so Gemini recognizes your unique voice. With Gemini active, you can explore its many features. Try Gemini Live to have real-time conversations using your camera, asking questions about what you see. You can also share your screen for context-aware assistance. Gemini seamlessly integrates with popular applications such as Google Maps, Calendar, and YouTube, making your daily tasks more efficient and connected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.